What's up, guys? Today we're gonna review some Marvel Legos and some single Chainsaw Man figurine, plus a mystery box. So I wonder what is it. I got the, you know, steps. All right, let's check Carnage. This one is cool. All right, so we do like this. And somehow we have this one right here, so we have to put this right here. And another one right here. And another one right here. And another one right here. There we go. And then one right here. And then put it right here. And put it right here. And this one right here. All right. And then we got both of them between them right here. And then somehow we just put it right here. I'm not gonna lie, he look cool with this thing. And then we put his head, and then there we go. And we don't forget about his claws. So let's put it right here. There we go. Plus, I just got a book today. If you guys wondering, I'm reading The Sandman. This is a great book. I need to read it because I heard people say this is an amazing book ever exists. Alright, I just put it right here. There we go. Hey, oi. Oi, mate. It's not making it straight. There we go. Here's Carnage. Not gonna lie, this look cool. Alright. Next one, we got Katana Man. I mean, this guy is look cool. I wonder that Lego guy. I'm keeping his name private, but still, I wonder he might get the, dingy, aka Chainsaw Man. I mean, this guy is cool, Ugh. How you? Holy, damn. There we go. And then we just put his katana, and then put it right here. Did he do like that or something? That's why he did like that. There we go. He's a cool villain character right there. He's a cool character. He has some cool weapons. He have katana. Man, I don't know how many weapons are enemy out there, but he's like a devil, probably like the devil guy. But the design just look cool. Not gonna lie, looks better than Hazbin Hotel. All right, next one we got Ghost Rider. Ah, yes, Ghost Rider. One of the greatest design ever exists. And then you just put it right here. And somehow you just put his fire hair. There we go. And then boom. And you have his flaming thing right here, so yeah. And then you just put it right here. There we go. And then put it right here. I need to get a little closer. God darn it! How? Ow! 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 And then voila! Voila! There we go. There's Ghost Rider. See? Ghost Rider. Alright, next one, we got Dr. Doom. Or I could say Tony Stark, Dr. Doom. I don't know. Here's Dr. Doom. I mean, Tony Stark. He have two different faces. Him wearing the glasses, him with no glasses. I like him with glasses. I wonder how he look like on it. There we go. And then you put it right here, and voila. Now that look like some cool stuff right there. And then, boom, you just put it right here. I can't wait for the trailer because they say the trailer going to come out next month of the Avatar, because you know, made by Disney, of course. But can't wait for Avengers Doomsday and Doom Part 3. Yes, I'm a fan of Doom. I don't know why my friend Andy hated it. He's just a hater because he thinks it's a ripoff. No, it's not. No, it's not, Andy. Okay, I just become inconsistent. We just lost the plot. Alright, next one. Before we go to Galactus, let's go to... let's go to Galactus. This is a big one right here. Alright, we just put his thing right here. Wherever this yellow thing, it just came with it. I don't know why, but who cares? Anything. Just put it right here. And then we put it right here. Yeah. And now we built him. Alright, so we just put his thing right here. This. Am I doing right? I don't know. I don't know if that's the right thing, but I think so. I think that's how it's supposed to look like. Right? I don't know. I forgot what he was looking like that, but I don't know. Alright, and then we put his thing right here. Wait a minute. I think I'm doing it wrong. Hold up. There we go. I knew there was something off. So, yeah. And we put his thing right here. Put his thing right here. So, yeah. Wait a minute. It can't fit. Okay, there we go. I was about to say. And you have two different faces. Him with a mask. I don't know what the heck happened to his chin. And him with no mask, which looks so weird, but who cares? So let's see how it looks like. Not gonna lie, that looks a bit goofy, but yeah, let's see how it look like with a mask. There we go. We look a bit goofy looking without that mask, but who cares? And it came with silver server right here. There we go. See? And then we got this random thing right here. I don't know why, but oh well. Just an extra stairs for him. And then you put it right here and voila. Oh, what the heck. And voila. There we go. Galactus. Yeah, this one was like $10. Something like that. So, yeah. That was unexpected. Alright. Now we're in a Galactus. Thanos. We would put his thing right here. I like Thanos. He's like a cool villain. He was like, had some good dialogues and everything. Some crazy stuff with him. Plus that final battle between him and the Avengers was freaking awesome. So, yeah. And then we put this thing right here. He don't have two different phrases because I don't know why. It's just only him being angry, of course. And then somehow we put his thing right here, and then there we go. And then ta-da! We did it. You know, the design of Thanos of this Lego looks awesome. Not gonna lie, they did so good with it. The next one, we're in Centurion. Ooh, Centurion. I watched the Thunderbolts. That movie was great to watch. It has some great writing. I don't know why it flopped. This is Centurions, and you have a cape. You put it right here, and you put it right here. And then somehow you put his thing right here. You have two different phrases, him angry and him smiling, you know. I wanted him to be smiley because why not, you know? Because he's gonna be normal again, and Avengers Doomsday. So yeah, and you got that nice hair looking thing. So yeah, there we go. And yeah, I like his design. They did well with it. And you put his thing right here. And, yeah. And then, ta-da! There we go. And he got this little guy, a little version of him. That's cool. And there we go. You just put it right here. See? This looks awesome. Hey. There we go. And there we go. Ta-da! We did it. We got Centurion, so let's go. And yeah. Alright, now we're in the final thing. Behold, the mystery box. Ooh. So let's open it. Oh, I gotta be careful. What the heck? I'm trying to make this camera hold still. It won't. I don't know why. Oh, what the heck? There we go, and let's check it. Do 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 do. Oh wait, before we reveal it, I want to mention that the Lego guys say that this Lego are not in a table, so they're not available. So they keep it a secret for this box. So I wonder why. So I want to see. I want to find out the true Lego of how awesome it is. So let's check it. Do 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 do. Oh, okay. This is interesting. All right. Ah. All right. So we got who the frick is this? Um. And what the heck? There's another one. And there's this police officer. Oh my God! Is that a George Floyd and a victim? And we got the Star Wars. This is cool. I'm not gonna lie. It's cool. And did she have two different faces? Is this her angry? Wait a minute. Wait, she looked familiar. Wait, it's a Disney movie, right? It was like she's like trained, you know, because like only men can go there. She's like, okay, I could pretend to be a man, you know. And this. Wait a minute. Okay, thank God I don't have this Lego. I was like wondering if I don't have this. So there's a Squid Game right here, which is cool, you know. And the Star Wars, well, let's see what his face looks like. Oh, come on, man. Get off your face. Oh, damn. We're expecting you to look like that. That's cool. And then we just cover your face right there, just for a moment. And the police officer, that's interesting, you know, look like the classic Lego. And there's another one right here that's got stuck. I don't know why. And that's Spider-Man. So let's build this thing, you know. All right. Oh jeez. All right. Gotta be careful with the leg one because I always break that thing when I was a kid. Do you have another leg? Because wait. Alright, so I forgot how you do this. Oh, there it is. There is another leg. Forgot you do this. Oh, you just. Alright, you just. Come on. I'm trying to connect that thing. But. Okay. Alright, there we go. We got that thing on. And then. And the rest right here, we just put it right here. There's no destruction, by the way. So I may never know. So I had to figure out all myself. So in order to freaking do this, so yeah. And we just put the wheels right here. And put another one right here. This is interesting, not gonna lie. And I remember he was selling this a lot, but not anymore. So you just keep this as a secret, so that nobody will ever know. There we go. We got it. I think. Wait, it's not connected. My God. Alright, and then this one, you know, we put it right here. Come on. Just fit. Come on, bro. Fit. One sucker. Fit. There we go. I got the thing. I'll put another one right here. I did not even know Spider-Man could ride a motorcycle. There's Spider-Man. 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 Into where to know Spider-Man. Look out. Here comes the Spider-Man. Alright, so we just put his thing right here. I always hate this thing. There we go. I think I got it. You know, I wonder what I saw him today. He was like working so hard, and then I see a lot of customer going to his thing, and he's making a lot of money right now. I could tell that he worked so hard, you know, buying a lot of Legos. So yeah, he's a good man, you know. But he don't have. I know you have a wife for the kids, but he probably has a lot of money. And because he sell all this goody Lego. And I appreciate with that. I love Legos. You know? You should, you know, I always go to swap meet, always say hi, you know, I always do fist bump and say hi to him, you know. But I always take me there, you know. So yeah. He's a cool guy. He's a cool guy. I like him. You know, he do some cool stuff, you know. So yeah. Wait, I got it. There we go. I think I got it. Yeah. And then we just put his legs, you know. You know, it's hard. It's hard to work, you know. You know. There we go. I got it. And here's Spider-Man, everyone. Hey, oi, fit the thing. And don't forget about his spider web. I think that's his own spider web. But who cares? There's Spider-Man, and there he goes. Riding the motorcycle. Vroom, vroom, vroom. Look at him. He's going rolling. And okay, I'm not gonna sing the copyright song. But anyway, that's it for the video, everyone. This is an interesting mystery Lego, not gonna lie. He put something interesting. Plus, I love the cops one because I feel like that's some classic Lego right there. I'm calling the rest. So I know he does the hard work. So this Spider-Man was interesting, not gonna lie. So yeah, there's an interesting mystery Lego I ever seen, and including other stuff. So hope you enjoyed this video, everyone. And I'll see you next time. Goodbye. Goodbye.